I think I see the UPS truck. For some reason, our new house, the UPS takes until 6 o'clock. Shout out Taylor. 6 o'clock to bring us our mail. And if it is what I think it is, hopefully that is UPS and I'm not weird. And hopefully he does indeed have what I think he has. And hopefully he picks up my return package for Amazon. I ordered a jack off Amazon. It was literally the crappiest thing that I've ever paid for. I think I paid like $60 for it, but it was straight from China. It had like crappy welds. I jacked my 350 up one time. It got stuck. I had to get a second jack just to get the jack off the car. It was bad. It's all bad. Don't buy jacks off Amazon. I don't know why I was thinking that. But we're gonna go now, and now I'm just waiting on this package. So we shall see if this man's looking for my address right now. I don't know. We should put the camera in the window and just be totally creepy. Is he moving? Looks like he's about to move. Oh, he better come back. I'm gonna be so mad if he don't come back. Oh, you better get over here. Hey! Don't you dare. Yeah, you better turn left and make a U-turn and come straight back over here. I'm over here. I'm gonna forward this to your boss. Don't you fail me. Oh, he's coming back. He better come back. We'll see if he comes back. He's here! Yeah, alright, thank you. Is it all? Yeah, there should be two. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's all I have. You sure? Yes. Okay. Alright, and then this one's a return for UPS. Oh, is it? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. Appreciate it. Okay, have a good night. Okay, so we got one package, and it's from the boys at Sikky. Alright. I'm super excited here. We got a freaking knife! Alright. See what we got. Okay, let's get a little Sikky opener kit. I use code MacJames to save 10% on your Sikky opening kits. Okay. Do I open this here? I don't know. I don't think I should. Let's not open it here, guys. Let's not. Yo, what's up, guys? I got my package. Get some background lighting. How's that look? Okay. I got my Sikky Driveshaft today. I'm pretty excited. I still got more parts coming from them, but I'm going to go ahead and do a separate unboxing video for those just because I can't freaking wait. And I can't wait. I can't waste a closed box, you know what I mean? Can't waste it. So, I'm going to open it up. See what's in there. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, Daddy's got hands. Okay. Maybe it's just simpler than I'm making it. I think it is. I think it's way simpler than I'm making it, guys. Oh. Stab my table. By the way, if you guys can't see, I made this table today. I didn't make a video on it because, I was busy and whatnot, but, I made it. It's mine. Oh, boys. Oh, snaps. Wow, Daddy just needs to work out. Alright. Let's go ahead. Flip the box because it appears that it comes out this way. Okay. Alrighty. Here's what we got. Packaging seems spot on. Seems good. They got some extra cardboard here so it doesn't get, dinged up and stuff. And then that other box it was in is pretty thick. So far we're winning. I don't think it'll get ruined in shipping at all. Let's see here. Alright. Okay. Alright. So, here it is. I've been waiting for this forever. Oh yeah, baby. Let's see here. Alright, so here's my Driveshaft. I upgraded it for, I believe, $200 for the aluminum one, and it can handle, I believe it's up to 600 horsepower. But it's got the yoke and everything on it for the T56, and it'll mate right up to my diff. So, pretty excited about that. Ball joints look good. Let's see if they're... Are these greasable? Okay, these don't have the zert fitting on them, but that means that they're stronger, so that's good. How much does this Driveshaft go for? I can't remember. Shoot. I can't remember how much it goes for, but I'll link it down below. Basically, Sikky, if you guys don't know, is a LS swap company, so they make parts to just directly drop it in your car. To eliminate all the headache and stuff in the guessing game. So this will literally just bolt up to my 240 to my LS transmission. The T56 is what I'm going to be running for now. So this is perfect. It's aluminum. So the aluminum frees up horsepower due to it being lighter than the steel shaft. And it's I think the whole box, it said it weighed 14 pounds, but it, there's a box on there too, so it's probably around 12. I would say 12 pounds for this one, and maybe the steel would be like 25 or more. So other than that, it looks pretty good. The welds look pretty good. Look really good actually. All dimes, so that's good. I like these clips. They're just the little pinch ones to take it off and change it out if I need to replace the joint. Other than that, everything seems pretty smooth. Everything's machined properly. I think because of this one's like direct drop in, I don't have to worry about the clearances. But I'll show you the video on that later. This one's no ABS. So the size is a little bit different if you have ABS compared to if you don't have ABS, so you have to check that out. And if you look at the differential on your car, you'll have like a sensor on there if you do have ABS. Everything looks good. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Stoked. Can't wait to install this, and I'll do an update and another unboxing when I get the rest of my Sikky parts in the mail. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.